If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can import some types of saved data into QuickBooks Online. The type of data you want to import determines the saved file type the import process accepts. Most imports accept saved Excel worksheets or CSV files, and some also provide other options. Alternatively, you can also import all the available data from a QuickBooks desktop file. To import either bank data, chart of accounts, customers, invoices, journal entries, products and services, or vendors into QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button. Then click the Import Data link to open an Import Data page. Then select the type of data to import from the Select Record Type dropdown and click the Import button in the What do you want to import section. A new page then opens and shows specific import instructions for the selected import process. For most imports, except the bank data and products and services import, you upload a file, map the fields in the uploaded file to the fields in your QuickBooks Online company file, and then import the file. For these types of imports, first click the Browse button in the page to open a File Upload dialog box. Then use this dialog box to find and select the file to upload. After selecting it, click the Open button to upload the file. Back in the Import screen, then click the Next button to continue. In the Map Fields screen that then appears, you match the data in the QuickBooks Online fields to your fields from the file upload to map where the data goes so your data is correctly identified. When finished, click the Next button to go to the Import screen. This screen lets you double-check the data to ensure it matches. If the data is correct, click the Import button to import it into QuickBooks Online. Alternatively, to import an entire QuickBooks Desktop company file, click the Import button in the Import from QuickBooks Desktop section of the Import Data page to open a page that contains a video and help on importing from QuickBooks Desktop. There are helpful links in the page for related questions. Follow the instructions shown for your version of QuickBooks Desktop. You may need to update your version of QuickBooks Desktop to ensure you can export it to QuickBooks Online. After importing, continue to follow the instructions to verify your QuickBooks Desktop data has been correctly imported into QuickBooks Online. Importantly, also note that to import data into QuickBooks Online, you must do it within the first 60 days after starting your company file's QuickBooks Online subscription. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.